rippers and set it all up.
Yeah.
Go on, Daddy.
The power ripper! Can I open up the power ripper? Can I get the power ripper?
How are we doing with the building of the track, boys?
Good.
Is it easy to slot together?
Yes.
I need some help. Everybody, do you like our building? Do they say yes?
Yes.
What? Okay. Oh!
Wow.
I want it.